The greatest generation is fiercely independent. I don't want any help, I don't need any help, leave me alone, I can do it myself. We marry for better, for worse, for richer, for poorer, in sickness and in health, till death do us part. I did it before, I can do it again. People believe that getting help is the end of their independence. It is not. It is precisely the opposite. It is the beginning of the restoration of their independence. Everybody gets help. When you go to the doctor's office, he doesn't always take your blood pressure. A nurse takes your blood pressure. He doesn't make the appointments. He has somebody at the front desk who does that. Virtually everybody we encounter in our daily lives has help in helping them get through their daily needs. When you eat healthier, when your hygiene is improved, when your laundry is done more properly, when you have somebody to socialize with, the quality of your life improves. It's not the end of your independence. It is the beginning of the restoration of your independence. And for that reason, it's really important to understand that as opposed to getting help as you may be, the fact is after a week or two, you're going to wonder how you ever lived without it.
To learn more about non-medical home health care or to get more information about ComForCare, call 561-630-1620 or visit them on the web at palmbeach.comforcare.com.